Hello viewers, wishing you a very happy yoga day. Today on Yoga Day, we will talk about the yoga which we have been doing since childhood and for which happiness is created in our home. Yes, when the child becomes a little young and learns to walk for the first time, then the happiness of our parents knows no bounds. And if we make only that practice of walking our routine for half an hour every day, so not only we will get good health, but also we can correct many astrological planets. Proper walking strengthens the heart. Sun is good due to a strong heart. Walking calms the mind and strengthens the mood. Rahu's positivity increases due to walking. Mercury and Ketu are good due to mind being focused with nature. Mars and Venus become strong due to moving towards good health. Hence, give place to general yoga like nature walking in life. Happy Yoga Day.